They do. Because we literally have it limited to 20. There will not, it will, the second it hits 20, it will show you sold out in the cart. That's it. Get it or don't. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. All right, let's go live on all the things. Here we go. I didn't even know I was going to do it. I just said, let's do something. Like, let's do something cool, right? Get it? Let's just make it happen. Bruno I just told Bruno literally 2 minutes ago. I'm not kidding. I'm like, hey, let's do something.
Charlie Brown's about to get smacked in his mouth inside the stop.
Yeah. Bruno loves it when I do that, by the way.
Like, hey, man, buy the dip and resell it?
Like, hey, man, you know what we're going to do right now? No. Don't do it.
You don't even need to open up a ticket. Just click the link.
Click the link.
It,
yep. Do the thing.
I'll take care of the rest.
Thank you. Yeah. Nothing special. There's a link right there. Go over. Get it done. We will announce them as they come in. But seriously, there will be 20. There will be no more. It is today only. That's it. That's all. Get it. Don't care. Listen, on Monday, you guys can buy the same membership for $20,000. All right. But the beauty is I'll allow you to make 4 easy payments of $5,000 each if you wait till Monday. Okay? Okay, Pumpkin? All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Does that sound good? You guys want to pay $4K today? Or 4 easy payments of $5,000 each per month? You let me know. Let me know which one you guys want. I know we're a bunch of math wizards in here. My Flint education, I'm telling you right now, I know which one I would rather do, but hey, that's just me. All right, love your faces. Let's rock and roll. It is now 9:20. Sorry, I was running a little bit late. We ran over this morning in the VIP membership, working on some things. Hopefully you were a part of VIP this morning. Hopefully I have motivated some of you. Hopefully some of you are now so fired up you can't stand it. You are ready to make that change. Who's ready to make that change? Oh, we're going to have a lot of fun. You can tell it's like a Friday for me because I got the next 2 days off. By the way, I will not be here the next 2 days. Just to let you know, tomorrow is the old man's B-Day, so we are going to New York City. We will be leaving tomorrow. I will be back on Monday. Going to take the next couple of days off. Yes, go ahead.
If you go down to Wall Street, check out the bowl. Somebody graffitied it. Unbelievable.
I don't want to see that crap. But anyways, so we're going to have lots of fun today. We're going to have an amazing day. Who knows? Maybe we'll do some cool giveaways today for my birthday. Maybe we'll do some cool stuff. All right. Again, I won't be here. It will be business as usual. We have almost 20 moderators, 18 in fact, standing by to assist you, help you. The show will go on. We will be here all over the place. Looks like somebody just scooped up a diamond. There's 19 left. Jojo, congratulations on your diamond. There are 19 left. We will not do any more. Sale and Sunday, 4K deal, 2-day, 20 only. Get in line. Get them now. First come, first serve. Not doing any deals, not doing the things. You will get it or you will not. This is it. If you need help, though, something's going wrong, you want to put it on 2, 3 cards, whatever, that type of thing, just open up a help desk ticket where we can help you out with that. But this is it. Last call for Elkie Hall. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, do me a favor, click that follow and share. Thank you for all those gifts. If you guys are watching over on the YouTubes, I'm getting ready to put up a super chat right here. Let's see if we can hit that goal with a super chat. Bam. It is up. J-Dog already with a super chat sticker says, let's get the day started off right. I'm so fired up, I can't stand it. That's what I'm talking about, J-Dog. I appreciate you. By the way, J Dog has been over there. That is 3 days in a row. He's donated like $30 to $50 already. So why don't we do something nice for J Dog? J Dog, where are you at? Are you in my room? Are you
He's
in?
got a premium. He's got a premium lifetime.
Yep. J Dog, where are you? Are you in here? Are you in the Zoom? Where are you? We're gonna do something real nice for you on my birthday. J Dog, where are you at? Where are you? Where are you at? I don't know where you're at. I'm in the Zoom and YouTube. All right, boom. Got to show support everywhere. That's what I'm talking about. J-Dog, we're going to give you a month of VIP membership. That is a $500 value because you have showed support over the last couple of days in the super chat. So guess what? Your $30 super chat, right, just got you a $500 account. That's what I'm talking about. Very nice, very nice. Now listen, we're going to open up a help desk ticket for you, J-Dog. We will not reach out to you anywhere else. We will not direct message you. We do not do that here. We only work through a help desk ticket system. So we will create the help desk for you. You will have to click a link inside of our help desk only area, and that will give you 1 month access to VIP. Congratulations. I appreciate all the support and everybody being here. Thank you so much. Real quick, let me play my little 4-minute promo. That'd be real nice. I'd appreciate if you guys let me do that. Hold on one sec. Let me play this 4 minutes. Rock and roll. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the trading view indicator. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24 hours, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that with just this $5,000. Now listen, if you can't get into the Diamond right now, don't freak out. It'll just be $20,000. So it's no big deal. If you can't get it today, don't worry. You can still get it, but it's going to be 20 grand. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. All right, there we go. Thank you. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. We appreciate you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that is serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you all. 20 seconds to the bell. Nobody go rogue today. I know we're running really late, but it is what it is. It's my birthday. I can cry if I want to. All right. Let's have an amazing day. Coach. Remember, everybody here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. Nice. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate you. All right, everybody. Thank you. Looks like SPY is kind of flat right here. Same with Q's. Tesla's pulling back right now. So is Apple. Keeping an eye on them. Let me know if you guys catch any 2-minute EWOs, especially on the first 2-minute EWO indicator. That'd be great. All right, let's see what we've got. Waiting to see if we get this VTAC, VTAK. I want to see if this is going to pop. Been watching this earlier. This is little tiny stock, low floater, 10 million, 200 million volume. I want to see this VTAC take off as long as it stays above this, 70 cents. So watching VTAK, see if this is going to get a nice pop here for us. KZIA, also another hot stock pick, starting to make a move here, bouncing off this 55 on the 1 minute. We'll see if we can get a nice little boost right here. I like it above 10.50. Now climbing up to $11. Just remember, 12.25 was the pre-market high. We'll see if it can beat that.
Dave and Buster's new high.
Going down.
Thank you. What's the ticker symbol for Dave and Buster's?
Play. PLAY.
Thank you. PLAY. Thank you. Let me pull it up.
You watching SPY, Coach?
I am. SPY pulling back. I got nothing on that. PLAY. There it is. Yep. Dave and Buster's is now up, 16%. Just be careful. You're up on a double top at 30. As long as it stays above 30, you guys are in clear skies. Yep. SPY pulling back. We got a slight pullback here. We're now at close of day yesterday. So right here, a huge level of support. We'll see if it can break through and hold. Sitting on the 200 on the 1 minute right here. So anything above 603 is what we're looking for to the upside. Otherwise, it's got a nice gap back down below 603. So 603 should be support. Looking to see if that can hold. Qs are pulling back. Qs at 534.50. Looking for support right here. Apple's also sitting on the 200 on the 2 minute. 2 minute EWO has been flagged. to the downside. Apple 2-minute EWO has been flagged to the downside. Just be careful. You guys are sitting in a really tight spot. You're at VWAP bouncing off the 200, sitting at the 9, the 21, and VWAP is all jammed up right there. If you're waiting for a little bit better of a setup, wait for that to break below the 200. We've been doing this a long time, haven't we? I feel like we're in a damn radio show at this point. SPY bouncing on the 200.
That's what it seems like.
I know, it's sitting at the 603. You know me, we can't have dead air. It's got to be entertainment, education all the time, right? All
the
day
time.
long. All day long. Oh, there goes VTAC, VTAK. Did anybody get in on that? I told you it looked good above 70. We're now at 80 cents. Anybody get up in there?
Got in there yesterday.
Thank you. Anybody
Me called.
today?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Me.
Thank
It
you.
was an aftermarket runner yesterday.
Good job. Now we're in it again today, up 240%, looking real nice. Apple got that bounce off that 200. That's why I was telling you, be very careful. I would wait. Noonie, next time you're in a timeout. I know you just got back. Come on.
Sorry, coach.
You're all
Sorry.
right. Love your face. Work with me here. Love your face. Okay, so far, JoJo is the only one that took advantage of that 4K Diamond Lifetime membership today. That is a 4K Diamond Lifetime membership. Get it. There are 19 left. When they are gone, they are gone. Tesla to the downside still. Today's low is 332.16. Apple, let's see what we've got over here on Apple. Apple pre-market high was 204.41. It's sitting at 204 right now. Previous day high was at 203.35. Apple getting a nice boost here. This is why I told you if you were looking at that downside, I did not like it until you had a move below the 200. Everything was too jammed up. Did anybody listen to the sound of my voice or did you get crazy? Talk to me now.
Well, listen to you, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your faces.
Mm-hmm.
NAOV up 60%. NAOV, 16 million volume, super low float at 735. We've had that, by the way, in our hot stock picks before. 735K, closing in on 17 million volume on NAOV. Nice. Apple's about to make new highs. It's trying to get up here, double top at 204.42. You've now got a 2-minute EWO to the upside on Apple. So we started to form a 2-minute EWO to the downside. It looks like only one indicator formed. It hit the second one, did not fill. And now we are on the second 2-minute EWO indicator to the upside. Little topsy-turvy there for you. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. It could be a bumpy ride for the first 30 minutes or so of the market today. Everybody be cool. Thank you. Still looking for another move here. VTAK hit 70 cents and bounced. That's exactly where I said I liked it above, was 70 cents. Yes? Good job. Good job. Nice. Nice work. I don't see that. Jammin says CNBC reporting the China deal is done. I don't see that. This market should have a major effect if that was the case. We'll see.
Coach, I saw that on Fox News this morning.
Yeah. But I also saw
Progress.
too that it was ruled that Mr. T was able to use tariffs to protect basically consumer goods here. So that's big news. All right. Starbucks. If you guys haven't had your morning coffee, it is way up there. 2.14%. Starbucks looking real nice. Getting a nice move. Soxol is only up 1.3%, but it did hit 22.76. I told you guys that was a fire sale when it was around 7. You 3x'd your account in under 8 weeks. Congratulations to you. Still sitting above $22 here. Looking real nice. Bitcoin still up here, climbing around all-time highs. 112, I believe, was its all-time high. It's sitting at around 110 right now. So if we see this run today, of course, you guys will be watching for MSTR, Coin, Riot, and Mara, M-A-R-A. Looking real nice. Anybody else see any runners, anything of interest, anything we should be paying attention to? Google's flat. Amazon.
Bounce on VWAP there, Coach.
Which one?
Spy possible bounce on VWAP breaking through there.
I don't like it. No, I don't like that.
No?
No. No, I want to see that get well above 604. And that's just going to run into traffic, partner, right? I do not like that.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
Good, thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, Amazon's trying to do it too, right? Starting to form a little bit of a boot. The only saving grace for SPY is the fact that it hit our regression channel on the bottom and hit the 200 MA. The problem, though, right here is right now you've got the 9 VWAP and the 21. So if I'm looking for a better spot, it's above 604 because right here, this is going to be that weird channel, right? This 603, 604, you guys see it on your charts? Remember, we were getting like a lot of that weirdness in here. I want to see this clear one side or the other before I just start getting all in that soup. Same thing here with Amazon. I want to see Amazon above 218 before I even consider this thing long. See it? We can get a move above 218 on Amazon, so it's going to technically be about 218.20, 218.30. Then we can start looking at the long. Otherwise, no bueno. Same thing with Amazon here. You can see that it was hitting the 21 a lot. See it here? But 218 is going to be resistance.
Coach, CrowdStrike had a massive candle to the upside. Second, green EWO.
Thank you. I see it. CrowdStrike is up 1.4, 240K. Average volume is 4. So the actual average volume is a little lower right now. So if that gets some nice volume with the upside, that thing will really run. Checking out the L2s right here. I got 474.85. I've got a wall sitting up there. 474.85. I've got 800 shares waiting to be sold off. So be careful the closer you get to that 475 level, right? Thank you. That's nice. Good job. Good call out.
It's not forming a double bottom.
I see it. Tesla at 331.28 for low. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. VTAK bounced off that 70 again for the 5th time and is now running. VTAK. Anybody scoop that up back down there on that 70? I told you as long as it stays above 70, I still like that, right? Okay, great.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Now look at Apple. Apple came up, double topped, pulled back. Everybody see that?
Your favorite trade.
Yep. It hit 204.50, which 204.41 was pre-market high. Double topped by 9 cents. Crashed and burned. Got about 50 cents above that 204 before it faded into a double top and lights out. Like I said, you better hang on tight over there in Apple. VTAK, the one I called out this morning, is now back up to 80 cents again. This one had a huge potential. The volume was extremely high. Very nice low float. On the L2s, I see a wall at 82 cents is 1,000 shares and 4,000 at 84.5. They're not huge walls considering the volume at all. You could still, at this amount of volume, you could buy 10,000 shares, I would assume, with no problem getting in and out of that with no problem with this type of volume. Not financial tax or investment advice, just looking at what the stock is, and I'm looking at the volume on how much it's moving and what you could do inside of that. All right, let's see. What else do we got going on? SPY, like I said, SPY right here, right? It hit up, it hit VWAP and the 21, and it pulled back.
NVIDIA in yellow.
Thank you. So SPY is respecting the 21 to the downside. Did I save anybody on that when you thought that was starting to make a run to the upside? Not yet, right?
Yeah. Thanks, Coach.
You got it,
You
partner.
did, Coach.
Good. Good job, you guys. Just want to be a little more patient. That's all, right? I know sometimes it looks one way and goes another. It's just a little bit more patience.
You absolutely saved me on ES, Coach. Thank you.
Yep. Good job. Yeah, started to form that da boot, but not yet. All right, NVIDIA. Ooh, NVIDIA's at support right now. Is this going to hold?
Okay, I lost signal. I didn't talk over you, did I?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, not at all. NVIDIA is actually at support. So if this can't hold, you're going to get a nice gap down this 143.30 area here. See this? Yeah, if this can't hold. This is support, though. So if you guys are shorting NVIDIA, this is just a nice collection area. Give it a minute. This is support, right? I hope you hear the sound of my voice. Yes?
Yes, Coach.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's a huge level of support. We'll see if it can hold. Doesn't mean it's going to stay forever on it, but we can see it, so we have to be ready for that move. Okay? SPY again, still, look at this. Now respecting the 9, starting to pull back down. It's staying in this area, though. This is that, and I told you this 604, 603. This is going to be that weird chop zone, right? This is where it's going to chop you all up if you're in here dinking around with that thing. VTAC, again, hit 80 cents, pulled back. That means you guys have a 10-cent window on VTAK. Master scalpers, do you see the channel? We talked about channels yesterday for a very long time in my training. I stayed an hour after yesterday for Master Advanced Scalping Strategies. Do you see it?
Yes, Coach. Thank you.
Yep. The ascending channel as well.
Thank you.
Is that consolidation there, Coach?
It is. The
Yep.
whole thing, 70 to 80, just choppy chop. It's beautiful, though. 10 cents, 10,000 shares. Psh, forget about it.
Yep. I think it's getting ready to blast.
Yep, it's beautiful.
Thinkorswim just ain't that fast.
Nice job. Oh, my gosh. Mark, what are you doing over there, crazy man? I love it. Love it. Beautiful. SPY all the way back down to that 603. Remember, I told you this is going to be that area. I want to see that break below that 200. It's trying right here. How many souls did I save on that move? Come on, baby.
9.
Yeah. Let's see if we can break through. NVIDIA broke through that 143.74. Now we're getting that move to 143.30 with confirmation, by the way. So that's very bearish. You see NVIDIA? There goes SPY. Bye-bye. Lights out. Broke the 200. Hasta la vista, baby. Super printer is on. Nice. There's your A+ setup. Didn't I say below 603, above 604? Yes?
Yeah, great call. Thanks, Coach.
Yes. Love it. Thank you. Appreciate you.
No, you.
No, you.
The Fox Business is reporting that Trump is announcing the deal is that he has completed the deal with China, but they've not announced the details of the deal.
There we go. Yeah, because as soon as the deal announcement, right, what it is, we'll see. It's going to have a major swing on the market. Oh, look at
This one,
NVIDIA.
yellow.
Yes, look at NVIDIA. That's beautiful. Anybody get in on that? Shorten the hell out of that ride. Beautiful.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, that is a nice trade. SPY, extremely. Now, this is crazy, right? This is what I want you all to be careful of. Listen to the sound of my voice. If you hear nothing else and you drown me out the rest of the day because you can't stand to listen to the old man, you better listen to me right now. At any point today, if they throw up any of that China information at all, this market will explode to the upside or drop straight to hell. So if that news comes out, I swear, and you better have a stop, it can wreck your life. The other thing with that is, just because you have a stop does not mean it's going to sell where you have a stop. You guys saw me last week where I had a stop on futures and a news event came out, went right through it, and I lost $3,000. It didn't sell for a very long time. So just because you have a stop in place does not guarantee it will be sold at that level. So if that is the case, smaller what?
Position size.
Thank
Position
you.
size.
There you go. All right. So please be careful. I just don't want somebody to be in a big, large trade and you're like, but I got to stop. And then it, bam, blows right through and you're like, ah. So just be cool. If that deal is truly done, which is, by the way, it's never been done before, right? It's been up and down and you create tariffs and then I do it back and reciprocal and all this other stuff. It has never been done. So this market is going to react in a ridiculous way because there will be no more tariff up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is why I'm telling you. Be ready for it. Be careful. Get ready to capitalize on it, right? Save some of that gunpowder, if you know what I'm saying, and be ready to rock and roll for it, right? Thank you.
I'm ready.
Thank you. Appreciate you. By the way, Mark's over there just getting it done again in the pre-market. Let me ask if I can say. He's been saying it every day, so I'm sure he doesn't have a problem. But I always ask just in case. This is crazy. I'm telling you, he's just he's just next level now. We're gonna call him next level Mark. If he lets me tell you guys, wait till you find out how much he's made in the pre-market before the market bell open. I told you guys every day he's getting ridiculous. SPY had a nice bounce at 602.25. Nice bounce at 602.25 on SPY. Now we're back in the chop channel, 603, 604. 603, 604. Now look at what VTAC just did. VTAC went all the way back up to that 80 cents. It hit 79 cents and pulled back. Didn't I say 70 to 80 cents, right?
QUBT.
Oh, there you guys are here. Oh my gosh, you guys are here. Did you guys see me pass out because nobody answered me? Did you guys see me actually? I fell asleep right there at live on the microphone live. Did you guys see it?
I thought I lost connection, Coach.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Hey,
Coach, we just thought at your age you were taking a nap.
Yeah. He's like nappy nap time. He got some oatmeal.
Hey, Coach,
He's nodding off again.
The old man nodded off again.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Coach, Elon Musk muted you.
What? I didn't hear you.
Elon Musk muted you.
He did. Anyways, I told you, right? VTAK, 70 to 80 cents. It hit 79 cents, pulled back. That's that channel.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. Let's see. NVIDIA hit 143 and bounced. 143 and bounced on NVIDIA. SPY? Excuse me. Be careful. We're in that 603, 604 area, right? Everybody be careful. Just watch what's going on.
QUBT is running.
Which one?
QUBT.
Thank you. I see it. QUBT 22.5%, 27 million, 115 million free float. Not a low floater, but definitely running. Oh, quantum computing. That's why. Yeah, quantum computing is going to have a lot of stuff for not them in particular, but the actual quantum computing. That's what everybody's talking about, right? With AI and robotics and everything else. So nice to see that's running. SPY right here. Look at that 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're on your 7th green 1 minute candle. Everybody, be careful. 5 to 7 candle rule is in effect here, right? You're also rolling up on 604. Please be cautious. Boom. Here comes the 8th candle. Let's see what it wants to do. We're at 604. Careful on SPY. There's a lot of resistance here at 604. We'll see what it wants to do. Okay, cool. Thanks, Mark. I just asked because I know it's a big number. So Mark this morning so far is at, before the market opened, $44,050. How's that for opening market before the bell rang?
That's crazy, coach.
Yep. The craziest thing is he started that with a $700 account in October. Now he's generating 40 to 150,000 a day. A day. I didn't say a week, I didn't say a month, and I didn't say a year. I said a day, right?
Amazing.
Love it. Love it, love it. Good job. Good
Hey,
job.
Coach, is there a report from Jerome Powell today?
You know what? I don't know, only because I've been doing all this getting ready to leave for New York thing. Does anybody know? Typically, I would know. Okay, thank you. By the way, there's your 7 candle rule on SPY and 604 pullback. Everybody see it?
Yeah, you were spot on.
It's hold on a minute.
To profit.
I did, coach, on futures.
You like that? Yeah, you do.
You need actors.
Yeah, you do.
Coach, tomorrow is a very big day for new IPO, CHYM.
CHYM. Okay.
Yeah, very huge company.
Is it
You know
live?
that company.
Is it live now or
No,
is
it's tomorrow.
tomorrow?
It's a
Okay.
huge day for that.
Yep. Yeah, we'll have it posted in the IPOs. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Yep, absolutely. All right, VTAK again hit 79 cents, pulled back, now bouncing around. That channel there is 70 to 80 cents. 10-cent window. 10-cent window. SPY hit 604, pulled back. Technically, it's at 603.87, which is within our 20 to 40 cent range. That's why I pulled back when it did. It hit this level, pulled all the way back down to VWAP. See it right there? That was also exactly 7 candles, exactly when I said, be careful, 7 candle rule is in effect. Right? Very nice.
Yes, coach.
So 1,
Absolutely
2,
good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pullback.
Yeah, NQ has that too.
Very nice. Zorro. Nice. 604. It's going to be a big deal now for SPY. NVIDIA climbed up to the 200. Pulled back. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the downside, riding the 200. But for the first time all morning, it's kind of leveling out. right? It's not up and down anymore, right? Starting to calm down.
3 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. There goes SPY again, pulling back 604. 604. Yeah, I agree with Mr. T, by the way. He just announced CPI was out. Great numbers. Fed should lower 1 full point. I don't know if it should be a full point, but definitely should be something would pay much less interest on debt coming due. Yeah, big time. Yeah, big time. So how did he make 40K pre-market, says Jay over on TikTok. He's trading futures. He is trading futures. Yeah, not only that, I mean, we've had tons of people make 40K before pre-market. That's called hot stock picks, right? It's not a first. It's just he's doing it with futures. Yep. Good job. TikTok user says, just ignoring the massive gaps on SPY. We're going to fill those. No? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what it does. Yes.
2 minutes to shift change.
1 minute to shift change. Mark said he traded oil, ES, and platinum this morning. That's what he was trading. Let me see. Do we still have deals on the diamond? 30 seconds. We'll announce it in a minute if we have any left. Remember, there were 20 total. I'll get a number in a minute. Here we go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. By the way, one of our members yesterday, we will not name him, made over $1 million yesterday. Nobody say the name. Over $1 million was made by one of our members yesterday in 2 hours. 2 hours. Good job. Here we go. Volume coming in, 10 o'clock. Volume coming in, 10 o'clock. Waiting. Remember, you want to see SPY above 604. Break and hold, right? Okay, great. Nobody get all excited yet. He was trading SPX. SPX. By the way, he's not the first and he won't be the last. I've had people make almost $6 million in a single trading session here. 5.6 million, I think, is our record for a single trading day at American Dream Trading for one person in a single trading day.
Hey, Coach.
Tell me.
Hey, didn't he use 1 million shares yesterday?
Yeah, that was for something else, but that was a part of it. Yeah, he was buying a certain stock. Yeah, 1 million shares at a time. Yes.
That's crazy.
Yep. All right, SPY 604. Let's see if we can get a break and hold a SPY on 604. Yeah, not to toot our own horn, but we will. We have created the world's greatest stock market traders at American Dream Trading. I don't think there's anybody that's ever existed that's traded better than some of my traders, and I personally train them. And I'm talking Guinness Book of World Records, stuff you see on the news, Wall Street stuff. Nobody's as good as my traders.
And I believe, Coach, he did it when one of our hot stock picks, which is another service we give if you join membership.
That's correct. Yeah, the 1 million shares at a time was one of our hot stock picks he was trading. Yep, absolutely. You can get that with your premium membership and up. Premium membership, by the way, right now, you guys get 2 free day trial if you guys want to try us out. See why we are actually the best in the business. This is not your regular little kid, mom and pop shop, TikTok, 3 in the morning crap before somebody goes to do their day job. I've been doing this for 33 years. I've trained over 1 million people. We're going on $1 billion. That's a B headed towards $1 billion with a B in profits for our community. Who gets to say that? It's like McDonald's when it used to say like 1 billion served. Yep. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you, Mark.
UUBT new high.
Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that. Absolutely. We'll see. I'm just giving him a super deal because it's my birthday. You guys save those.
Is he not off again, Coach?
No, I'm here. Sorry, just talking to one of my moderators. Thank you. All right. Spy again, 604. Everybody's being cool around there, right? Nobody's jumping the gun, right?
Not yet, Coach.
No, it's
Just listening to the
Yeah,
sound of your
nope.
voice.
Thank you. Yeah, it's just like I said, 604. I don't like it. It's got to break. I don't like it. Calling BS on that thing.
We
I
have
don't like
VWAP
it.
as support and 604 as resistance.
Yep, 603 support, 604 is resistance, and I told you guys that's that weird choppy in the middle thing. Everybody be cool, right? Apple, new low a day. Now, like I said, new low of market, not new low a day, because technically low a day is 202.15, but new low of market open. Like I said, it's finally calmed down. It's not choppy all up and down. Apple is now showing us downside, right? I like it below the 200. It's below VWAP, the 21, the 9. That's technically, as soon as it breaks below 202.15, that'll be a 6-star trade if it continues to go down. Oh, we do have a couple more. Give me one sec. Let's see. So we had JoJo. Congratulations on your Diamond Lifetime membership. You have unlimited access to all of our membership services today and in the future. Took advantage of my birthday sale. Looks like Born 21 just took advantage of the super sale. Congratulations to you. Ryan just took advantage of the super sale. That's 17 left. There will be no more of those. That is it. That is all. First come, first serve. Take advantage of it. There's a link out there in the stock lounge. Get it. When should they get it?
Right now.
Thank you.
Now.
Thank you. Thank you. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
You're fake news.
There you go.
Hey, Coach,
Tell me.
you're not telling them what they're going to get for the $1,000.
I put it up there earlier. I hit the old play button. We got an old VHS tape out, and I played it, and it told them all that stuff with it.
Hey, my VCR broke down.
Yeah. No worries. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll play it in a little bit. I should be doing that every hour on the hour. Thank you. Appreciate you. Don't forget, not going to be here the next 2 days. The next 2.
You know, you're in Restream. There's videos in Restream right there with Diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Hey, Coach,
Tell
make sure
me.
you pick up some pepper spray for your wife.
Pick up a what?
Pepper spray for New York City. There are a lot of riots going on.
Yeah. I'm not. Yeah, we got it. I got it. Yep. Yeah, if it's all rowdy and ridiculous, we won't be in the middle of that, right?
Oh, not for you, for your wife. I'm talking.
Yeah, well, she doesn't go anywhere without me, so I'm not worried about that.
I thought that was the reason you were going, Coach.
Yeah, right. Get involved. Be a part of that change. Make it happen. Listen, Jasmine, congratulations. Just scooped up the Diamond Lifetime membership. And Ryan. Okay, I already got that one. That's 16 left, I believe. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 4. 16 left, and that's it. When they're gone, they're gone. Take advantage of it. Guess what? Buy one for you, buy one for your friends, buy one for your neighbor, buy one for your dog, buy one for your kids, buy one for your grandparents, buy one for somebody. We have a member in here. I'm serious. I think he bought 6 of them for his family. Was it 6? I think that's the record so far. Bought 6 diamond lifetime memberships. I think it was 6 total. Am I right? Did he do more? Anybody?
Mine, coach.
How many?
I thought I heard 10, but
It might have been.
maybe 6.
Yeah, it might have been. Bruno will have to let us know.
That's one smart dude.
Yeah, it might have been 10. And by the way, that's the same person yesterday that donated. Are you ready for this? You ready?
6.
You how many? 6?
6, yep.
6. Okay, thank you. By the way, yesterday he donated to all the moderators $5,000 yesterday. So that's nice. Yeah. So those of you that are still sitting there, right, with your hands in your pocket, not donating to the moderators. By the way, I didn't take any of that. I gave it all literally to the moderators. $5,000. Nice job. We appreciate you. Is that amazing or what? That's the largest donation
Thank you
we've had.
very, very much.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
That's awesome, Coach.
Yep, absolutely love it. And just so you guys know, the way that it worked is because it went to one moderator that was here. We had to have him save back taxes because the way that it was paid, he's going to get hit with a tax bill, right? Anything over $600, he will get hit with a tax bill. So I told him, save back the tax amount, then the rest gets funneled through, obviously. So he doesn't personally take a hit on that, right? Still, though, it ended up being so much freaking money. So thank you to that. Spy right here, 604. 604. But that's the largest donation so far that is anyone here has ever received. Hell, I haven't even received a $5,000 donation. I've made us about $400 million so far.
And who was this, Coach?
I don't know if we can say his name or not. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Yep, that's okay. Only because we don't know financials, if they're okay, how many, I can't get into that. But thank you. Yeah, I would love to say thank you out loud. But again, because it's so much money and he's bought so many memberships and I just can't yell it out. You know what I mean? Appreciate you.
Coach, can I ask you about a goal line with Tesla?
I can let you know that Spy needs to break and hold above 604, and I'll let you on Tesla right now. Hold on one second.
Somewhere between 338 and 340, but because of the wicks, I can't tell where the goal line should be.
Yep, let me look. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we're way up here, so hold on. Now, above this 200, I actually like it here. Okay, so this is technically 330, 350.
Right, I'm talking a little higher, up around the 338. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. All right, so here's your levels. Ready? You got 330, 350 to 330, 450. Right here, you guys can see this is going to be a channel. If you can clear 330, 450, actually has a nice gap back up to, around 335, we'll say 50. So every dollar move on there. Does everybody see that? There's your channels right there. So if we can get through this right here, which is going to be resistance, okay? That's going to move us into this beautiful looking channel. Does everybody see it? Then we're going to start to get resistance again. Everybody see here? If we can get through that, we're going to make a move back up into here, right? This will be the next channel, and then there's your resistance. So if you're scalping it, this is what it looks like, right?
Spy, third EWO candle.
Thank you.
To the upside.
Let's take a look. SPY, remember 604 is what we're waiting for, right? The break and hold on 604. Let me look at the 2-minute EWO. Yep,
Yeah,
2-minute EWO.
it's very weak for EWO. Very
Thank you.
weak.
Let me look. Yeah, technically you are in it, though. Does everybody see it? You are in the 2-minute EWO on SPY. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Yep. And you're not at VWAP, so you're not loitering around. Now, if it were me, and because it's right here, I would wait for the break and hold at 604 before I entered it. Right? But you are in a 2-minute EWO on SPY. But again, if you just wait, what, 20 cents? Right? 20, 30 cents? Just give it a minute. No, I don't want to miss out on $14. Okay. I got you. Okay, Jasmine scooped one up. Got it.
Microsoft's new high.
Thank you. It's a good sign. Just got flagged on the Qs. That's a good sign. Qs
Technically, Microsoft is on a double top.
Okay, thank you. Qs just flagged bullish on our 2-minute EWO indicators. You guys see it on the Qs? All right, here we go. There's your confirmation candle upside SPY. There it is. See it? Wait, let me look. Hold on. I'm on it. Hold on. Hold. No, it's not. Not yet. No, it's not. Not yet. I was on a 2-minute. This candle needs to be closing higher than the previous candle to get this confirmation upside. Yes? Okay, good.
Yes.
Yep, and it's not yet. This is a wick.
Yeah, it's just like super tentative.
Yeah, it's like, come on, baby. I want to see it push through there, pop with volume, run.
Yeah, we need a gamma pop. That creepy crawly should never last.
I agree. Hell yeah, get it the F out of here, right? Get it out of my life. Drive that thing. Whoosh, go.
Go, baby, go.
Yeah, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Palm, see what we got here. Oh my gosh, they're all teetering right here. Come on, get some volume and go.
Thread.
Yeah, get some volume and go. There we go. Come on, go. Oh, it wants to. Come on. Come on. Nope.
Needs to break 604.19.
Yep. It's yeah.
Morning, coach.
What's that?
Morning.
Good morning.
I heard you got a birthday today?
Tomorrow. It's technically tomorrow, but thank you. I appreciate you.
Nice. I actually opened YouTube and I heard that, and I'm like, okay, I should go back to Zoom.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. I'll be
I'm gonna
52
tell you
years
tomorrow,
young
happy
tomorrow.
birthday, not today.
Yes, tomorrow. Thank you. But I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I'm not going to be here the next 2 days.
Nice.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. All right.
Can you do me a favor? Can you take a look this Tesla?
Yep. I just pulled up Tesla. All right. Your levels are 330, 350, 330, 450 to 335.50. So you want to get a hold, get ahead of that 335.50 for your next move. See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yep.
335.
Yep.
Okay.
Otherwise, downside below 332. There's your move, Palm, right there on SPY.
Yep.
Hey, coach, QUBT, I'm up $500 on that today.
Yes. There's the pop, Palm. Good job. There's the move, everybody, we were looking for, right? Confirmation was SPY. Nice pop. That's that volume came in. Boom. Hit that gamma candle. Woo! By the way, when you guys hear us talk about that, because when you're in contracts, gamma is the acceleration, right, of how fast it goes one way or the other. And when gamma, it's like putting your foot on the gas pedal. When it super increases like that, I sell it in the gamma, meaning it's like spike, boom, sell. I get the most money out of it. Why? because the second it gets to the top or it stalls out and slows down at all, it goes, takes a lot of that premium right back off. So if I see it go pop, and then I'll sell that right into that gamma candle. Make sense? Great. That's nice. That's nice.
IWM's making a move too, boss.
Thank you. Now look at this. SPY double tapped the 604.38. So it needs to stay above 604. It's still respecting this to the upside. It did not pull back. It did not crash through. As long as it stays above the 604, we're still golden to the long side. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Not financial tax or investment advice.
That was such a beautiful explanation of gamma, and then it turned around and that candle just wilted.
It did.
Right
Yeah,
back
it just
off the nine.
stalled and like
Yeah.
fell right off.
Let you know what's going to happen before it's going to happen.
Yep.
Just, that's all.
Yep. Right. Just giving you the
And your
blueprint.
money.
Yeah, just giving you the blueprint, right?
Yeah.
Nice pop right there again. 604.44. I like it. Nice job, everybody. Way to stay in there. Good job. Nice work. Beautiful. Again, as long as we stay above 604, it is now on the 1 minute respecting the 9, which is really good. It hasn't even tried to come back to the 21, respecting it nicely. Still running to the upside. Nobody freak out and panic, right? That's a beautiful candle right there. Ooh, that's nice. Come on, baby. Good job. Anybody making any money on that SPY to the upside?
Yep, one MES.
Good job. Nice. Nice, nice. Look at that. Beautiful. I like it. Nice. Just glorious. Woo! All right, Palm, coming up on small area resistance right here, 604.60. Small, but it does exist. Everybody see it? So what do I do there? I take a little bit off, and then I'll see if it wants to pull back, and I'll add a little bit to it, and then I'll have got it for a cheaper price and collected and locked in my premium. Then I'll add in if it breaks above 604.59. So technically 604.60, right? That's how I do that. So and again, it's small. There's not a major level of resistance sitting here, but it's there. There's a little bit of, there it goes. But it's there. It's small, but it's there. If you guys look at this little gummed up spot, let me show you. See this right here? This is what I'm talking about. So if I move this all the way out here, that's the area. See it? So when I start to see those areas as I am trading, that is where I will collect, look for this pullback, right? So think about it. If I sell here and I re-add hell anywhere in here, right? This is my add. Think about it. Instead of holding through this spot, I've now made the profit the difference between when I sold and when I re-added again. Because if I was going to hold anyways, instead of letting my dollar go up and down, I made the difference between the two. Make sense?
Yes, coach.
All right, thank you. Remember, this is for advanced master scalpers only, not for those of you that are just sitting there like in a 2-minute EWO or anything else, because you're just letting it go. Anybody in that, by the way, remember I announced earlier, I said this is a 2-minute EWO. Is anybody in a 2-minute EWO with SPY?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
I am.
Thank you. I just like to hear who's doing what. Technically, that is right here at this level. Right there. There's your buy. See it?
It's a beautiful thing when the scalpers and the EWO people combine.
Oh yeah, then you start advanced scalping, right? That's my favorite.
There's all
Advanced
sorts of
2-minute EWO, I should say. Yeah, right there. There it is. Doesn't get any bigger than that, right? There's your entry point. See it? Ding, ding, ding.
like double validation on the entry point.
Yeah, this is nice. It's it's right there. There we go. There it is. There's your 2-minute EWO.
Make that arrow a little bit bigger. I can't see
Yeah,
that.
I know it, right? That's because the old man's getting blind right there. Now, I have bionic eyes, so I'm not. But if I were at my age, this would be the size of the arrow I would need. This is it. Take a look. Right there's your 2-minute EWO entry. Right here. Looking nice.
Can you make it bigger?
Yeah, I will try. I will try. I got you. Here, I got you. All right. I got you. There you go.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, there
I
it
still
is.
can't see
Now
it.
I can see it. I got it.
Is that an arrow?
There it is. That's the move. Oh, it's off. Here, let me right there. There it is. There it is. Right there. Good job. Good job. Good job.
You have NVIDIA entering into 2-minute EWO potentially, and then Meta as well.
Thank
so
you.
they're following suit.
Yep. I see it. 2-minute EWO is in effect on NVIDIA. Yep, right here off of this candle, this 144.36-ish. This is the 2-minute EWO right here. Ding.
If you make the candle green, people will be asking, what are those candles doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Why is it doing that? Now we're in that weird soupy spot for SPY. See it? There is congestion there, right? This area is a little gummed up. You guys see how much it was bouncing around in there? Palm, you can see it too, right, partner? If you're not in a trade, but watch this soupy soup, right?
Yep.
Little bit of junk.
Yeah, I would expect some sort of a pop to kind of wake up there.
Yeah,
and then
me
sit
too.
in there.
Yep, me too. Absolutely. So it's around. I mean, technically, this is probably around 604.80, give or take. That's about where we're at. I'd like to see it break. There's your 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA. Like to see that continue to climb through that area. But this is a little bit of choppy chop. This turned into a real nice 2-minute EWO on SPY, hasn't it?
Oh, yes.
We've been seeing that lately. It's like SPY doesn't act like SPY sometimes.
Yeah, and the weird thing is the last couple days, around that first 30 minutes, it's just been like consolidating, right? In that weird channel. It's the last couple days it's really done that a lot in that little space. Let me get rid of this.
ESLL has skipped the first green EVO, went straight to the second green EVO.
Oh, wow.
First green EWO on Amazon is forming.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the whole market. So the Qs, remember earlier, if you guys trade Qs, remember I told you our trading view indicators flagged bullish on the Qs, remember?
Yeah, be careful with Amazon. It's a little bit choppy. It's not convincing me right yet.
It's at red to green too.
There we go. Let's see if we get a nice pop out of that 604.80 area on SPY. If it comes out of there, we should get because we've got such a huge gap to the upside there, Palm. See it?
Yep.
There it goes. Come on, baby. See if we get a nice pop up to the 605.10 area. This would be a nice setup.
Yeah, that's what I got, 97 to 10.
Yep. So we get looking for a nice pop here. Should get a little bit more volume. If we can get out of this spot, we get some good volume in here. People will see all of this traffic. Should be looking for a pop. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Get out of this range, and we'll see a nice volume spike. Two-minute EWO is in effect. You guys are still looking really good on your 2-minute EWO.
I'm up 30 ticks, coach.
Oh, wow. Nice job. $300 plus 360.
I'm in a little baby MES, but I'll take it.
Oh, I got you. Good job. Good job.
Hey, coach, 4th day in a row, green. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna paper trade for the
Yes.
challenge.
Yes. Thank you. And I forgot to mention that this morning, right? When you guys get green, lock it in. You're done for the day, right? Don't trade. Don't overtrade. Trade it away. Get green. Get in, get green, get out, right?
Yeah, buddy. Is that gonna be the new merch mouse pad?
Yeah, it should be, shouldn't it?
It should.
Yep. Get in, get green, get out. I like it. I like where your head's at. Good job. By the way, today is Wednesday. Those of you, excuse me, those of you that have been following that rule, because we've said it every day. Today, of course, I forgot to say it. So hopefully you've just been doing it. It's been locked in, I hope. Those of you that have been following that rule, are you starting to notice the trend? You're locking those in. You're stringing them together. You're building more confidence. Your trading is better. You're not having big loss red days. You're locking in profits, and now your account looks so much different. Anybody in the room?
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Hey, coach, I got an idea for a t-shirt. How about wham bam, thank you, coach?
No.
Oh, I was gonna pre-order one.
Oh, damn it.
Took 'em a while to
Okay.
figure that
Excellent
one
rolling
out.
board.
There it is. We got one sold already. Nice job. Nice job. We got one sold. Good job. Nice job. Everybody that's watching over on TikTok, you don't stop. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Buck says, happy birthday, coach. Greatest community on the planet. Thank you, Buck. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
QUBT continue to step up 37%.
Nice job. Yes, QUBT continuing to climb, right? Look at NVIDIA. Who's in that 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA?
Oh yeah.
I am, coach.
Nice job. Let's see if that'll keep ripping. That's getting some volume over there. That should help SPY out too. I'm watching the Qs. Apple's the only thing really that's lagging.
145 is a key level with NVIDIA. It's tried and tried. So if it pops over that, it's gonna go nuts.
Thank you. Yeah, 145.29 was pre-market high. So yeah, there's a lot of soup around 145. We'll see what it does. Apple. People were not happy, I guess, with the new glass UI. The market's not flying for Apple. I installed it on 2 phones, an Apple Watch 2, and 3 iPads. Oh, and my Apple Vision Pro. That is iOS everything 26. NVIDIA continuing to climb. SPY pulling back. Hit 604.89. We had that 605-ish. I had 605.09. Could not get to it. Hit that really soupy spot we talked about earlier. And pulled back. It's back down to the 9. 9. We want better Siri, not more UI tweaks. Yeah, I'm with you. I just And it doesn't even need to be great Siri. Just give us really good integration, right? If you're going to do the Chat GPT thing, don't make us say, "Hey Siri, can you ask Chat GPT?" Like what? What are we doing all that for? Just freaking, just intertwine it, right? Pay them the money. Just turn Siri into it. We've got Gemini. We've got Copilot. I mean, right. We got Grok, which is better than all of them now. Just call it Siri and buy them. Do something, right? Thank you.
Yeah, Coach, and Grok is going to be right in your car.
Oh, I know it. Grok is the best, man. I don't touch any. The only reason I use Copilot is because it's built into like my laptops. Otherwise, I'd never use that piece of crap either. It's Grok or nothing.
Yeah, Grok
It's
is
the
fantastic.
best.
And you see that you can actually tag Grok in the Twitter.
Yep, absolutely.
And it'll fact check for you.
Which is really cool, right?
Absolutely.
Yep, love it. All right, we're at 10:33. Let's see. We've got, did I see another one come in? Last one was Jasmine. All right, anybody else gonna scoop up the diamond? I took $1,000 off. So that's $16,000 off the diamond lifetime membership today only. I think there's 15 left. I think 15 or 16. I think. Let me look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 16 left, and that's it. It's just it's just a flash sale, birthday thing only, right? Don't beat me up if you bought it before. You're like, oh, but I paid. Stop. It's just flash sale. Just doing something cool for my birthday. Don't cry me a river. It's supposed to be 20 grand. Stop freaking out. Spy bounced off of the 9. Nice. VTAC, that hit that 80 cents to 70 cents, and then it finally collapsed. See it? Here. Look how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took 7 candles, 7 times tapping on that glass right before it broke. See it? Oh, there's another one. Jacob just bought Diamond Lifetime membership. There's 15 left today. That's it. Super sale. Don't cry later. Access to all of our membership services. Who has a Diamond Lifetime membership? Open your mic. Let the world know. Do you have it? Is it any good? How many people have it?
I do.
I do. It's the best thing
Got
ever
it.
created.
Got it.
It's wonderful. Thank you, sir.
Best thing ever.
Yes, sir.
I like it a lot.
I have it.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Happy birthday, Coach.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. I just like that you guys have access to anything. You can go anywhere, do anything, see all the stuff, right? It's like having the park pass to Disney. I remember we took the kids, right? You get the park pass, you can go to all 3 parks. That's what you guys got. You guys got the Diamond Lifetime Park Pass here at American Dream Trading, where you guys can ride any of the rides all day long. Am I right?
All day long.
Yep.
Fast tracking.
Thank you. Yep. Fast tracking your way to a new life. Starbucks. If you guys remember, I called this out earlier. Is anybody into Starbucks today? Anybody? No? All right. No worries. That's moving up nicely, up 3.5%. It's went up, stayed up all day. Starbucks. Nice job. Good job.
Coach, was there news on Starbucks?
I didn't even look, partner, to be honest with you. Let me see. I
But I just noticed
yeah.
that
They have a deal on $6 coffee.
They'll rip you off the second you walk in the door. How's that sound?
I'm just noticing that Bros is up as well.
Yeah, let me see. Confirms at 9:20 potential China stake sale. Right here.
Okay. There you go.
Considering selling a minority stake in its China business to an outside investor as part of efforts to reinvigorate growth in the region. There it is. Said that they were trying to establish 9,000 stores in China by 2025. The region has seen a decline in 3.7 billion to 3 billion. So this is going to reinvigorate that whole thing. So there you go. Starbucks, where you can go and get your $12 latte, mocha, chino, hold the chai seed, tea, frothy, frost, candy cane, sugary chai latte. Did I just get your exact order?
You forgot the super. You forgot the super unleaded part.
Yeah. Did I get your exact order?
You did.
Yep. Yep.
Except you missed
forgot the caramel.
Forgot caramel. I was trying to think all the crap people put in. I have no idea.
With or without whip.
Yeah.
Although you put something racist on my cup, Coach, so that docks you some points.
Oh boy.
Missed the pumpkin spice too.
Yeah, this is why I just get the old McDonald's McCafe coffee. No, nothing.
And you didn't ask him what name you want on the cup.
Nope. I did not.
I was going to say, if it's good enough for Warren Buffett.
That's right. That's right.
Diet Coke, baby.
Yeah. Doesn't he? He gets a burger and a Diet Coke every day there, doesn't he? He said he drinks like 8 Diet Cokes a day or something, didn't he?
Yeah. Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, and Elon Musk, all in the Diet Coke Club.
Yep.
He even budgets like a $2.40 or something like that. Like he's
he does.
Stingy with it. It's awesome.
He does. Hold on a minute. You ready?
Listen, you're fake news. You're fake news.
There you go. Okay. Nobody's buying that they're drinking Diet Cokes and McDonald's and they're both in their 80s because you're supposed to die if you drink diet. So that's not true. You know what I'm calling it?
Fake news. Fake news. Fake news.
There you go. It's a lie. It's all a lie. It's all a lie. Not buying it.
But you know what isn't a lie, Coach?
Tell me.
Your birthday diamond sale, dang it. That is not a lie. That is something you should jump on.
Thank you.
4,000? Are you kidding me?
I appreciate that. Thank you.
I think you found your Ed McMahon.
Yes, I really did. Actually, I got him here right next to me. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Let me, I'm going to stop the share so you guys can actually see it. All right, you guys ready? Hold on. Here's my co-pilot. Hold on. There it is.
That's awesome.
That's the Trumpinator. You like that?
That's hilarious.
That's good.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Huh? Yes. Look at the eye. He's even got the lasered eye where you can see it. Yes, baby. Uh-huh. Yep, we're not playing around. My son got me this for Father's Day. Isn't that hilarious? Yes.
I need that.
Yep, you need that in your life.
That's awesome.
Right? Now listen, if you don't like the guy, you can box him, right? You can put in work on it. You know what I'm saying? It'd go either way right there.
Coach feeding everybody a bunch of candy before he gets off.
Oh, I know it. Now hold on a minute. Now this is the beauty of it. Now I got to unbox this, but this is what's going to go down. It was funny when oh, that's dusty. It's funny when I broke this out. My son's like, yeah, you can have them fight. All right, hold on. Check it out. Uh-oh. Right? The Tesla robot faces off against the Trumpinator. You see it? Uh-huh. Right?
20 on the robot.
My gosh,
What a robot.
hilarious.
Yeah, I'm going with the robot.
Can I get that in the ADT store?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Coach is starting to look like the 40-year-old virgin there playing with his toys.
I know it. Like, yeah, I know it. It's just my son's buying me all this stuff. Yeah.
Hey, Coach.
My
Coach, do
whole-
you have the Trump football?
Yeah, my whole desk is surrounded with stuff that my son buys. Now, like this. Now check this out, right? He buys me all this stuff. Look at this. Huh? It's not all kid stuff. Look at this. Huh?
Oh, that's really beautiful.
Isn't that? It came in a nice wooden cherry box and everything. It's friggin' beautiful.
Hey, Coach, I bet you don't have the crystal ball by Trump.
I don't. But yeah, this is the stuff my son, he's always buying me cool little stuff
Could
like
use
that.
that on my boat.
Yep. Oh yeah.
What was that? What was that, Coach? A clock?
No, yeah, it's a compass, but it's got everything on it. Right?
Oh, it's a compass.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yep. But it's got everything, right? So you can see it. Check it out.
I would love that.
All right, Coach. Coach, what time is it on that compass?
Says it's almost time for me to leave.
What time on compass? Okay.
What time on the compass?
Yeah. See, look. Since it's my birthday, right? I'll show you, right? Some of the stuff my son gets me. Now this lights up, but look how cool that is. Right? A best friend and a dad size package. Can you guys see it? Now this is this is the day right here that he left for the Air Force. This is literally signed right here. This is the day he left. Now this is Christmas. Every Christmas I still read 'Twas a Night Before Christmas right here. We still do it. And the dog ate the book, and I still read the eaten book for my son. This was, of course, when he was a baby. This was me coaching him in this is the 8th grade. See it?
Very nice. Time capsule.
Isn't that nice? And it lights up. So yeah, so my desk is full of all of the stuff. Hey, it's a good reminder of why I do this, right? It's a reminder of why you're supposed to keep rocking and rolling. Am I right?
Yep.
So
That's how you know you're rich, Coach.
That's the good stuff right there.
Yeah. Yep. It surrounds me. I always keep all this stuff. It's amazing. I mean, like the card he just got me. I keep it right. Okay. All right. Before anybody gets mad, this has got to be the greatest Father's Day card that's ever happened.
Love it.
Is that great
gorgeous.
or what?
That's sexy as hell.
Yeah. It says, I know it's kind of here. Let me see if I can read it backward off the thing. It says, Happy Father's Day. You are great, wonderful, fantastic. I know it. You know it. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. I won't get any credit for this card. That's okay. I never do. But your Father's Day is about you, not me. But if it was about me, I'd make it about you because I can do that.
Could you imagine if you sold a talking card, how fast that would sell?
Oh my gosh. Right?
It has the voice in there that says all that stuff.
Is that amazing or what?
That's nice.
Yeah. And
That's
of course,
awesome.
And then of course my kids wrote some really nice stuff in there. Some really nice, touching, amazing stuff. So yeah, I keep all this, right? All the good stuff right near me. It's starting to pile up. I'm gonna have to get a bigger desk, but I keep it all by me all the time, right? This is how funny this. Look at this goes way back. Hold on, this goes way back. I even got. It's my birthday. I can show you stuff, right? I always kept this, right? I got all these little pictures, all my little son's like graduation stuff, right? Like here's all his little, right, pictures, right? That's him, senior year football, right? These are all his little senior pictures, right? So I keep all this stuff on my desk all the time, right? He a good looking boy. He a good looking young lad, right? That's nice. That's nice.
He's off the market though.
Yeah, he is. But isn't that cool? He's a good looking kid. Look at that. Definitely takes after his mom. That's not dad. Right? They actually use this one.
Good looking.
This one's in the studio. They put that in.
Dude, he literally looks just like you though. Come on.
Yeah, lie to me some more because it's my birthday. I appreciate you.
There is no denying that one.
Thank
He
you.
looks a hell of a lot younger.
Starbucks.
Volunteer is to move up.
Thank you.
New highs.
Starbucks
You know what
continuing
they
to
all-
climb. All right, listen, I'm gonna get out of your hair. I'm gonna play this clip, and then I'm gonna get out of your faces, get out of your lives. Hold on a minute. Let me play this. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that with just this $5,000. Now listen, if you can't get into the Diamond right now, don't freak out. It'll just be $20,000. So it's no big deal. If you can't get it today, don't worry. You can still get it, but it's going to be 20 grand. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. All right, gang. Appreciate everybody being here. You guys are amazing. Give me 1 second. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dawn, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mount Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we appreciate and honor you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. J-Dog, thank you with that $20 super chat. Says, happy birthday, coach, and thanks again for my VIP access. Can't wait to see behind the curtain. Everybody listen, I am gone the next 2 days. It is business as usual. All of our amazing moderators and training staff will be able to take care of all of your needs. Everybody have a blessed week. I will see you on Monday. If I get a chance, I'll try to stream from New York just to say hi. But I appreciate everybody. Guys, have a great day. I'm out of here. Moderators, you have control of the board.
Have a great birthday, Coach.